Okay, why is your pension underperforming? Let's look at Zurich managed equity focused. Right, okay, how are they doing? Sounds impressive, Zurich, and it's managed and it's equity focused. So it must have been doing rather well. You know what's coming by now, don't you? Over 3 years, 7% return. That's okay. My bank is paying me a little bit less than that every year. Okay, never mind. Maybe over 5 years. Look, 38% over 5 years. Surely that's not too bad. 38%. Let's have something to compare it to, because all you care about is making money. Okay, over 5 years, the Nasdaq's up 150. What? 100 and what? And the S&P over 82%. Hang on. Over 5 years, well, 3 years he got 7%. So let's compare it over 3, because that might be unfair. How they done over 3? Oh, okay. Pretty much both up between 26 to 30%, and he got 7. I'm not that big. Actually, I'm very big on numbers. And one thing I know about numbers is 30 is bigger than 7. Maybe this guy, whoever manages this fund, doesn't. What's he put it in? Oh, okay. He's put it in other funds where his buddies run. That's interesting. So you give him money, he gives it to others. And so he charges you fees for giving it to his other friends who also will charge you fee. I love this. Don't you love the city? You got to love it. Now, you might not be retiring anytime soon, but guaranteed whoever's managing this, fund manager data not currently available. I bet he isn't going to want to show his face. They get to send their kids to private school. And even better, they get to retire earlier than you do. The good news is you can call them up there. I don't know, send them this video, for God's sake. And send them one of my 18 books that I've written about why their fund managers are consistently bad. Or maybe my Financial Times columns, which have been banging on about this for years. It's another company where I think Fujitsu managed the software for them.